As spring gardening season begins in Athens, some residents are finding a new use for their food scraps.
I take out my regular trash so much less often. I didn't think it would be that big of a difference, but it's a pretty big difference, which is nice. I mean, and that's kind of like an environmental advantage.
When food waste ends up in landfills, it breaks down without oxygen, a process that produces harmful greenhouse gases.
Methane is generated, and methane is a really, really strong greenhouse gas. It is 27 times stronger of a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, and it sticks in the atmosphere for 9 years. That's like a third grader floating around in the sky, just holding on to heat.
For some residents, composting offers a simple alternative.
I might have even tried to find a place before, and then I came across UGarden, and it seemed simple enough, so I started that at the beginning of this school year, I think.
Programs like the University of Georgia's UGarden offer residents a way to keep that waste out of landfills.
So I think it's just a recycling of nutrients, basically, and I think that's a wonderful thing, and it's been really beneficial for us here.
At UGarden, those food scraps are turned into nutrient-rich soil used to grow new plants. But despite these options, composting isn't common practice for many Athens residents.
A lot of people think it will smell really bad, which makes sense. And I think it would if you had an open trash can, probably.
We're working to get folks used to the idea of compost, understanding that it's not going to be stinky and gross, especially if you take it out often enough. It's not a problem. It is kind of the general mindset of folks in this area in the Southeast are not as familiar with composting as a process, so it feels a little bit alien, a little bit like it's just going to be extra work for them. So getting folks on board is tricky.
As the growing season gets underway, composting offers one small way to reduce waste starting at home.
If you are considering it, that means you probably should do it. You want to do it, you're interested in it. There's only positives to it, at the very least to try it out.
Ansley Kelly, Grady News Source.